Hello, this is Carolyn, the Aardvark Israel Registrar, and congratulations, you have been accepted to the program if you've received an email from us saying that you've been accepted. At this time, once you have been formally accepted to the program, the last set of registration forms should be open for you. So we're going to go back to where you applied to our program. Go to aardvarkisrael.com, click Apply Now, choose the program year that you're applying to, and then use the blue login button to log into your existing application. Enter the email that you used and your password, and click Come on in. That's going to open your current application. You can see that it's going to take us to the first thing that is incomplete in the application. If you want to go in a different order, that's totally fine. Click on the word Home at the top and you'll see a list of all of the missing forms, including the registration forms that just opened for you. I'm going to go over some of these. Most of them are very self-explanatory. Passport information, the first thing it's asking for is a head and shoulders current photo of you. We'll use this for things like your bus pass. So it doesn't have to be an official passport photo, but it should be a plain background or as plain as you have. It can be a selfie, just head and shoulders, just a current picture of you. After that, you'll enter all of your passport information. You'll upload a picture of your actual passport. It's going to ask if you have any additional passports and whether or not you have one or both parents have Israeli citizenship. Next form that we're going to take a look at, the housing request. Very straightforward. If you have friends or people that you want to room with, you can list them. If you don't, it's totally fine. Do let us know what type of apartment you're looking for as far as kashrut and Shabbat observance. If you choose, you can click at the bottom to order the linens and towels package so that you don't have to pack your sheets and towels. The charge for that is $149. That will be added to your account. It's totally optional. Clicking back to home, housing, we did that. Hebrew placement test, it's just a link to take the Hebrew test from our Ulpan. That'll let us know which level of Hebrew you will need when you're here. Emergency contact information, at least list someone who is not a parent in the first section. The second section, if you have family or someone in Israel that you can use as a contact as well, you can list them. If you don't, totally fine, just leave that blank. Alcohol and drug policy, very simple. Click to download it, read it, sign it along with a parent, and then re-upload it. Cellular phone plan, same thing. Click to download, read through the cellular plan terms, enter a credit card on that form that you're going to upload. The credit card will only be charged if you exceed the terms of the cellular phone plan that you just read. Most people don't, as long as you follow the instructions in that you're given when you arrive and also on the sheet that's there. If you want an eSIM, you can click that. If you want a physical SIM card, let us know. If you order a physical SIM card, it will be ready for you when you arrive at your apartment on the first day of the program. Maccabi Health Insurance. Again, it's a link. This is to an insurance application with Egert and Cohen. That's our insurance provider. The insurance is Maccabi Health. You will fill this out and Egert and Cohen will take care of everything for that. Everyone is required to have a Maccabi policy while you're here on our program. If you have any questions about the policy itself, contact Rachel at Egert and Cohen. She'll be happy to help you. And the last thing is arrival information. The dates of the program for fall and year programs or for spring programs is at the top. The first question is, are you landing on the arrival date? If you are, click yes. Give us your flight information and we will have someone meet you at the airport and transport you to your apartment. If you're arriving any day before the start of the program, click no. It's just going to ask you the date. You will be responsible for getting to the apartment on the first day of the program. I hope this helps with the last set of registration forms. I can't wait to see you in Israel.